Welcome back everybody. In this lecture we will learn how we can customize our VirtualBox. So you can see I have already opened it, and you can click here on the operating system that we are going to install later, but we want to just teach you how you can do it. So click on settings, click on general, and here you can see you can change the name here. Let's type and here you can see advanced share clipboard. I have set it like that because we can that's how we can share our clipboards and files with VirtualBox operating system. And you can also give description. There is system and processor acceleration. These are how the operating system is configured. You can increase it like that, or you can decrease it. I am not going to increase it because it is an XP operating system, and 512 is plenty for it. And processor is 1. There you can see display, storage, audio, network. I am using net network, but you can also use bridge network. If you want to attack outside of your local network, you should use that. But for now I am using net. Here you can see USB. If here you can see there is China, road, mouse. You can add it by clicking on the plus sign. Shared folders. That's it. That's how you can customize and change names, increase your system processors, memories, and that's all.